Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. In Odoo not available that invoice details display into sales and purchase order form, but using this our app you can see easily. You can see here our module Dev Sell Purchase Order Invoice Details. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to sales, go to any orders, and see here invoice details. Now display all for 0 because this sale order for not created invoice, but I want to create, so click on this create invoice button. Do confirm and pay. I want to pay half amount like 60. So see here display here partial rebate and display here total amount 174, paid only 60 and due is the 113. Now go to this order. So you can easily see here now set it invoice amount 173, paid amount to 60, percentage 3 for 52 and due amount 113. Thank you.